Okay, so what you need to do is you have to open up a new file. So you go to File, New, and we are going to make sure it's in inches, and we are going to make it 10 inches by 8 inches, 150 resolution, transparent, and hit Create. So now you need to go and find all of your pictures that you have created. If you have not saved them as a PNG, this will not work. So make sure it is a PNG. You need to go to your OneDrive, your 22-23 Digital Literacy Quarter 3. So you should have all of your pictures here. They should be as PNGs or JPEGs. So if I click on one and I hold the Control key, I can select all 4 pictures. If you have the one background that has the words already in it, you do not have to do it again. Okay, for this, I have them separately. If you hit File, Open, you will see up here now you have those 4 things. So we're going to start with the fall scene. If you have your selection tool, and you have to make sure there is no lock over here. If you have that, the easiest way, I'm going to show you all ways, but the easiest way is if I click, hold, drag it up, you can see that I am at the new one, and then drag it down and let go. I'm going to resize it so that it will fit on here. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in my tombstone. See how this one has a lock? So if it has a lock, all you have to do is click on the lock. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click, hold, and drag and bring this in. I'm going to make it smaller. And I am going to use my magic wand to get rid of the background. This is why it was important for you to have that. Next, I am going to go to my zombie. I'm going to another way you can do this is if you hit select all, it gives you dancing ants. You can hit Control C, go over here, hit Control V. I'm going to make this smaller so that it can fit on my headstone. I'm going to use my magic wand. If you go over here, you can zoom in. So I'm going to use my magic wand to get rid of all of these side pieces. Deselect. Control D to deselect. And I will go ahead and put her there for now. All right, if I hit Control 0, it will take it back. And then the last thing you have to do is bring in the words. Do it the same way. Click, hold, and drag. I'm bringing in the words. I can use my magic wand to take out the background, and then I can resize it, etc. Once you are done with this, you got to go to File, Export as a PNG, and you are saving it as DL1-3-9. If you have any questions, let me know.